Hey everyone, today we're in the deep south of New Zealand, just 25 minutes from Gore, catching up with Ben and his daughter Mackenzie on their dairy farm to see how the new Nevada Slurry Tanker and stirrer are working for them. Let's get into it.
Hi, I'm Ben Johnson.
Hi, I'm Mackenzie Priest-Johnson, Ben's daughter.
And we farm together here in northern Southland.
Hey, so thanks for taking the time, Ben and Mackenzie. Tell us a bit about your farm.
So we farm 135 hectares with 380 cows in Riversdale, northern Southland. We are flat to easy rolling contour. We run a system 3/4 inputs and we supply Fonterra.
Here on this dairy farm we run a lined 2-pond system, which is roughly about 1.8 million litres.
We've just dried off the cows. We're in early June, into the winter shifting mode if you like. Cows on crop with baleage and straw. And we're all looking forward to a bit of downtime.
Get away from the dad for a bit and easy system with shifting on crop, nice and fast, race with the neighbours.
It's just what we need. Everyone needs a break. It is interesting working with family. We've had some great times together over the last 2-3 years and certainly enjoy having her on the team.
Wow.
What effluent system did you have before installing Nevada's equipment?
Prior to us buying the Nevada Tanker, we had a hard hose cannon set up here on the farm with an electric pond to irrigator pump. We liked the system, but we felt it didn't really fit for what we wanted going forward. We couldn't irrigate much of the farm. It was only limited to about 70 hectares. So there's half or a bit over half of the land that we couldn't do with that system. And that was a bit of a drawback.
With the hard hose irrigation, we were only sucking the liquids out of the first pond, leaving all the nutrients behind in the solids. So having the stirrer and tanker, it was a no-brainer, stirring all that and getting it back onto the pasture and getting the benefits from that.
And the time it took to do one pass with our hard hose cannon. So to do a 400 metre section of irrigation took us about 8 hours and only delivered about 120 cube in that period versus the tanker at about 300 for the same time. And the cost analysis is looking great.
With having the tanker, Mum's not complaining about stinking all her washing and clothes and having whites that aren't exactly white anymore from filthy overalls and all that jazz. So it's been pretty good having the tanker and not having to unblock anything.
We love the tanker.
How did the process go with getting the equipment to your farm?
So we contacted Lloyd from Nevada, the sales rep for our region, and absolutely fantastic to deal with. The purchase was really fast actually, awesomely quick. They had the product in stock, it was delivered. Quentin came to set it up with us and within 3 hours, I think we were all up and running. It was fantastic. Here is our 12,800 litre Nevada Tanker. We are really enjoying using it. It's a fantastic machine in operation, simple to operate. 3 hydraulic spools double acting on the tractor, 1 brake line, no electronics on the machine whatsoever. The fast fill arm, which is fantastic fast loading. It takes about 5 minutes to suck that load up. And the accuracy of the rainwave on the back dispensing the product across about a 12 metre spread is awesome. So we also purchased the Nevada TurboStir 6000. As you can see behind me, it's doing a terrific job of boiling up the pond and making a very consistent product to spread. There's 9 grease nipples on the whole machine, including the shaft, and very easy, simple product to use.
So I've just half filled the Nevada 12,800 litre tanker and going to spread some paddocks. We've had a bit of rain the last couple of days, but shouldn't be a bother with the big tyres it's got on it. Investing in the Nevada tanker was a big win for us, especially with the fact that they had the easy system. It's all in one place on the joystick, having just to plug in the hydraulic hoses in the back, and running it off the joystick was a game changer for us.
The benefits we've seen immediately, the fact that we can take it anywhere on the farm that we want, we're not limited to where the irrigator was set up. We're seeing lower application rates than with the Cannon. We have strived for the month that we've had the tanker to apply the product at about 3.6 mils, which is 36,000 litres to the hectare, or 3 loads, and it's worked fantastically well. We're seeing quite a bit of benefit from the extra nutrient value that we were losing with the Cannon.
Yeah, losing from the Cannon because we weren't able to stir ponds, so we're actually breaking up the crust on top of the effluent system that we had in place prior, which was only sucking from underneath. The rainwave, there's no drift compared to the Cannon and the hard hose that we were using. It's quite a smelly process, getting back to mum having to do the washing, but we're not losing any of that nutrients from the ponds to the paddock, so we're seeing all of the benefits.
We would definitely recommend Nevada to anyone if they were looking to upgrade their system. They've been absolutely fantastic to deal with and love their products.
You know, you could customise your effluent system through Nevada to work perfectly for the farm or conditions that you're in, so 100% I would recommend it.
So there you go, effluent management made easier. A huge thanks to Ben and Mackenzie for taking the time to show us around, and I hope you found this insightful. See you next time.